Tell him what's up, Mike.
Well, last time I went down there, Dave was very unhappy because I fell down the entire slope on my stomach.
I wasn't unhappy.
But you didn't get it on the camera.
Oh, yeah. I was happy to watch it, though.
Yeah.
It was kind of cool.